Sarkar expresses concern over the imbalanced rise of the influx of outsiders in many constituencies. Transport Department along with Manipur Police begins road safety drives, finds helmet and seat belt violators. A month-long 121st Memorial Observation of Lamyamba Hizam Irawat begins today. And people of Manipur welcome Arjuna awardee boxer Laisram Devendro on his arrival at Imphal International Airport. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A discussion programmed under the theme Manipuri Lengakta Mitop Singi Pida Amasung Kut Tingzin Hanba was held at Manipur Press Club Mizor Cult, organized by the Coordinating Committee of Civil Society Manipur. Discussion on the rise of the influx of outsiders in the state, outsiders in state's legislation and lack of indigenous people holding top official posts in government departments were held. Speaking to media person, spokesperson of Sirka, Ningthauja Lancha said the population in Kesamthong and Sangolban constituencies were just 8 to 9,000 in 1951. He expressed concern that when voters of these constituencies have just reached just 30,000 now, the tremendous rise of the influx of the outsiders and rise in the population of the non-locals in many constituencies rendered a situation to form a district.
Aikoina migration haiba matamda wafam ani khak aikoina nangsing daba yaroi Manipur gi mapan da chatkhiba kogi mafam chida talent ki masing ase hantharak pama machina emigration haiba tare aduga immigration nataga migration na aikogi lam sida mapan gi mitop changshila akanda aikogi lam si paisilak pagi posak ama kangpok psa 1951 gi census ta subnatagi mioi samri ga kuntratre na khundaba aduguma mafam amni khana ningai oibo wafam ni jiribam da 1951 de mitoki masing chi sahunga ni phumapan muklei maitai aduga mar kabuina singba yalomi singi masingchina lising taruka khare hena lei mapandagi changakpa mina 71% oigribe karigino singba phibam masida hairiba jiribam adumaktadagi asubudin si karaktana assembly da yaurare adu oiba taragadi singuma masingchina manga sujalakpada taruk sujalakpada kamai tawduna aikhogi right si khanaba yagadoribano.
3 constables have been suspended in connection with physically assaulting the president of Desam at Singzamai police station as per an order of senior SP of the Imphal West Police, Themting Nangshangba. The suspended constables are Head Constable T. Kumar, Head Constable T.H. Amuzaut and Constable L. Rabi Kumar. Desam has now called off the station they plan to take out in relation to the arrest of President of the association following the suspension of the constables by the Home Department and appreciated the step taken out by the government. On the other hand, speaking to media person at the association office at Sagolbant Moirang Klaira, General Secretary Namoirapam Edition alleged that the officers of the station must be involved in incidents as it took place at the station itself and warned the Home Department not to cover up for the officers.
The Thariba departmental inquiry stage Masigi Taudoki Yamna Marik Chumba Madu Kenoduma report to Putuaga, Lokapum Topam is the Chapchana, Janaba Hariba, Kenosino, other Tokiba responsible for police officers in the Matata, Lokapum Topatabak Sing, a 2 Matamda, Home Department Makadegi, Lokakabin have Wapam Sima Desam Makadegi, Tame, Progressigi, Matungina Desam Makatana, when a Desam Pelaktaba Desamgi. Masigi cannot talk to the channel of musing she losan about Karigumatam, the Chumatorkumatam couldn't Hectorkumatam when Hana Lautokiba hesitation sing she adumak, Satanaba Desanamatam Chupada, Shem Saragale.
Transport Department in collaboration with Manipur Police kick off the drive to prevent frequent road accidents and to ensure public convenience in transportation today. As part of the drive, every vehicle plying in front of the MSRTC in Moirangkong were thoroughly verified. Riders of 2-wheelers not wearing helmets and 4-wheelers drivers without wearing seat belts were fined ₹700. They are thoroughly check all vehicles related documents and made aware the small vehicles owners the importance of wearing helmets when they were found not wearing helmets in spite of having it with them. Speaking about the drive, District Transport Officer Imphal East D.H. Dinachandra said, the drive is being conducted for the convenience of the public in transportation as per an order issued by the Transport Department, and appealed the public to cooperate the drive.
Transport Department changin jariba akoi gi drive se da public na cooperation bibiraga mafam chada de u-turn towa ngasi nini humni mamang de akoi gari nifu yankhe na pha ba hore fine ju loin thiraga thadok bani huji ju continuation togini masi da thol kadaba khudong thiba sing adegi overbridge makha da unauthorized parking leiriba da octo sing na tran taw leiraga public na ju hairiba parking mai magi government na piriba parking sido chalaga gari tongbiu lambi da mafam chada da gari khamjanba octo rickshaw sing na any khamning mafam da khamaga mi pick up towa dropping towa gari sing na tawbugi habit to khara thadok biu.
A month-long 121st celebration of Lamyamba Hizamt Irabot Memorial Observation began today at GM Hall, organized by the Irabot Celebration Committee. Speaking at the inaugural program, State Secretary of the Communist Party of the India, Manipur State, Moirangtem Nara said, Irabot took a great role in establishment of the assembly and schools in the state. Irabot's birth anniversary, death anniversary, and the time he began his revolutions all fall in the month of September. Nara said, the month-long memorial celebration is to be held in memory of the contributions of the freedom fighter. He lamented that the society now seems to be opposite of what the leader worked for. He said many changes have come after Manipur joined India. However, the changes are not also for the welfare of the society. He alleged that the people are still not able to get the PDS items under the National Food Security Act, which was taken up for the welfare of the people. He also alleged that ever since government of India focused on privatization of the health and education sector, people cannot bear the expenses of the health treatment and many students cannot afford education expenses. He said it is time to adopt the ideology of the leader to face these kinds of difficulties.
Lady Bashaton Sigi, Sarkar Lori policy, my neoliberal economic policy in a period impact, privatization the Hena Kumang Jokshelubagi, Chenjao Piper the Hena, Sakti Shinabagi, Bodesi Manipur Toriba election, Barot Torisi, Paisa, Takugunda, Duga, Nisha Yaudana Board City, Kadine, free and fair election, Uhenabonabada, electoral reforms, Food Security Act, Social Security Act, Surganoma Hinjiri Mayamsigi Hingnable and Bipiba, crime against women, Punamaxigi, Mayokta. Tenganabagi Prajamiamda, Manipur no Pilan, Yuariduni, Irabona Lucing Rivni, Sigumbagi Tanjasida, Anoba Miyama Sigi, Kana Minanabi Koi Punjanba, Amasung, Aranba Toriba Kambugi, Mayokta, Tengabaisa Irabona Tambirami.
Lamyamba Hizamt Irabot Ningsing Tabomt, a month-long Irabot Memorial Observation began today at Nungsi Gold Park under Lamlai constituency, organized by Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur. As part of the observation, the places where statues of the freedom fighter are installed will be visited. Langbond Haichway Tambat will be offered at Barak River, and painting competition of the Irabot's portrait will be held. Executive Editor of the Impact News, Ras Nongtobom, Vice President of Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur, Yaiskul Khairakpont, and Secretary of Smart Security Services, Lemazam Pratap, were among those present at the inaugural program of the event. Speaking to media person, Executive Editor Impact News, Ras Nongtobam said, the month-long memorial observation of Lamyamba Hizamt Irabot is commendable. It is high time the present generation, especially the youth, realize the contribution of Irabot for the society. He said Impact News will also help to make people more aware of the freedom fighter. People offered floral tribute to the statues of Irabot at Imphal City and other places.
Irabot ki maram da khangba mi se mingoi na targasu ko hizam Irabot haise kanano haibsi khangba mi se masing se adum thiba yani khanje adu bo Irabot ki su masing hena famna iban angang dagi ne aina pamjari se maroi na koi ahan khatana natraga kirang mature mi na Irabot ki maram da thijan ba khangba du na tana interest lobu do khatana na na ha dagi horga am pili ba ko gi class school chat pa hor ko dagi horga loin maksina hena khangan nabgi damak ta ko gi site so angam mateng panu hona jage.
Judge of Supreme Court of Bangladesh High Court Division Dhaka, Justice Bahamani Prasad Singha, and Acting Chief Justice of Manipur High Court, including other judges and advocates, had a discussion on the judiciary of India and Bangladesh upon his visit in Manipur today. Manipur High Court held a reception program for the justice at the court's auditorium in Mantripukhi. Justice Bhabani Prasad Singha spoke on judiciary in Bangladesh and the interplay between India and Bangladesh judiciary. He especially highlighted on the similarities and differences between the judiciary system of Bangladesh and India. Culture, songs and dance performance enthralled the audience at the program.
I want to remove a suspicion in the mind of the people who are attached to judiciary. That is, there is a confusion that in India, the Supreme Court, the Supreme Court is the highest, and next to it is High Court Division. We in Bangladesh, both the judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court Divisions are called the judges of the Supreme Court. In Bangladesh, two divisions, that is, I once again repeat, one is Appellate Division and the other is High Court Division. The Supreme Court of India is equivalent to Appellate Division. And it is the highest one. So this is the confusion which remains in the mind of the people who are connected with the judiciary in India.
People accorded a warm welcome to Arjuna awardee boxer Laisram Devendra with wreaths of flowers and money on his arrival at Imphal International Airport today. Devendra's family members, people from his locality, many players and students gave him the warm reception. Devendra was conferred the prestigious Arjuna Award 2017 for boxing, while Oinam Bembem for football. Both of them are the only two players to be awarded with the prestigious Arjuna Awards for sports from the entire northeast states of India. So far, Manipur has 16 Arjuna awardees, including Devendra and Bembem. Arjuna awardee boxer Devendra has not only won the medals at the national level but has also participated in the international platforms. He bagged the silver medal in Asian Confederation Boxing Championship 2013. He also participated in Olympics 2012, however, he could not manage to qualify for Olympics 2016. Speaking at the reception, Devendra said being awarded the prestigious Arjuna Award is a successful chapter in his life. He said he would put in earnest efforts to qualify for the upcoming Olympics.
Yamna nungai boy sana aina sanaruba pura yam saw mahiyan banana khale samna harabada koi Olympia mama sanare hairaga ju Arjuna wase phang jaga di koi tungda chana mina khangbu wali aduga san si ama sanarui haibagi yamna saw awareness sigi ai Arjuna wasina sigi Arjuna tha je mamang da ka han di expect tawdre haibadi means mamang da chahi ani gi mamang da phangba ya ba awareness ko ado khara let ti oire haiba dai ai wakhanda ina khanjabada Olympic mamang da 2018 da Commonwealth Game Asian Game lego ai main oina si ani ji da focus tawre du mutung da mu 2020 da Olympic game focus tawre da.
Acting Chief Justice of the High Court of Manipur and Kotishore launched the digital display of court cases at the High Court lobby today. Speaking on the occasion, the Justice asserted that the initiative taken today would make updates available in connection with cases without any hindrance. He further said lawyers advocating cases won't be able to lead the cases astray in the wrong direction anymore. The display board on the website will make information regarding which cases are going on and which cases are scheduled on which dates available to the public. Judge of the High Court K.H. Nobin, Chairman of Bar Council O. Madhuchandra, Advocate General of Manipur Government and Kumarjit, President of the High Court Bar Association H.S. Pounam, and President of All Manipur Bar Association H. Chandrajit were present at the event.
It's in the public field. Anybody litigant asks, oh, my case is Tauri, Zakari, and what is Arumasiki? How do you appoint minimum basic form? Local requirement between modify this system software. Only case number and judge scheme, the status post list list Karamba case number in the post list number Karamba Karamba password feature that can be edited. For this, we have this one permission from the NIC.
Education Minister T.H. Radhishyam asserted that the meaning of a complete human can be expressed only when we respect one's idea. He was addressing at the Freshers' Meet of Manipur Technical University today at the university's hall. He further appealed to students to always have a positive attitude towards everything and try to understand things that come their way. Various cultural dances and songs were showcased at the event. Controller of Manipur Technical University M. Ibomcha, Vice Chancellor H. Dilip and Principal R.K. Hemakumar were among those present at the event. A candlelight agitation was held today against the decision of the Government of India to merge public sector undertaking to PSU banks. The agitation was organized by the United Forum of Banks Union and apex body of public banks at the premises of the SBI Thangal Bazaar. Speaking to the media person, Secretary of AIBOC, which is under United Forum of Banks Union, Jabungbom Lila Banta said, the union strongly condemned the decision of the government to merge all the public sector banks by changing them into private sector banks. He said the public will face inconveniences if all the banks come under one bank, and protests are being held all over the country against the decision of the government. He warned of an indefinite strike if the government does not revoke its decision. It may be mentioned that the center took the decision to merge public banks, and public banks across the country are protesting against the center's decision.
Hanagi private sector da banking tauramba paisa paiba mioi kharena license raj haidana wafam ama thamaga India gi masana phajana seba tauraba service piriba nationalized bank singse privatize onthokna bagi aikoi adugumba parliament budget plan adigi financial reforms and taure privatize tauragadi mangjagaduribsi kanano. Who is the loser? The loser is public.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim, on the occasion of the Eid al-Juha. He said the festival reminds us of the sacrifices made by Prophet Ibrahim. He wished that this festival unites all the community of the state. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Nasma Haptullah, has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Muslims, on the occasion of the Eid al-Juha. She wished for all to take a stand to work together to preserve and propagate messages of peace, love and friendship on this occasion. The governor also said she joins the people of Manipur in celebrating the festival. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam greets the Muslim in the state on the occasion of Eid al-Juha. He said the festival delivers the message of purity, sacrifice and cooperation among the fellow men. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, along with its president and Congress party workers, paid floral tributes to former president of Thangmaiban Block Congress Committee, Led Thangjamt Ibotombi, at Congress Bhavan today. Led Thangjamt Ibotombi from Thangmaiban Thlairan Hanjaba Laikai died yesterday in the afternoon due to an illness. He was undergoing treatment at the downtown hospital in Guwahati since the past few days. He was 66. Ibotombi was the president of the Imphal Municipal Board from 1987 to 1988. IMC officials also paid floral tributes to the late president of the Imphal Municipal Board at IMC complex. A woman who had been trading dogs was produced before the court today after being put in lockup. Acting on the thief of Peoples for Animals PFA Manipur court are bringing in 7 dogs in an eco-van bearing registration number MN04A9991 from Mori towards Imphal at Minutong on August 30. The woman is identified as Bainichong Langant White of Thanglei Shei Langant from Modbung Senapati, presently residing at Chingmairong. The court released the accused after imposing the fine under Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. The court also instructed to keep the dogs for a week at PFA Center and later hand over to the SPCA Veterinary Hospital or Department under State Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department. State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Manipur observed the Deviant Empowerment Day with the rest of the nation today at Lamyamba Sanglant Palace compound. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner of State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Manipur, Dr. R.K. Kumarzit said, The observance program aims to enlighten the public regarding empowerment of the disabled. He said though it is often said that disabled should be dealt with affectionately, people are still looking down upon them. Though emphasis are made to protect them, they are still demarcated in the society. He added though there is Imphal Municipal Corporation by law, there is no ramped elevator and lift for their conveniences at the government offices, hospitals and market areas. He said an exclusive education is required to eliminate the culture of looking down upon the disabled. Kumarji said when the Indian players are not able to bag gold medals in the Olympic Games, the disabled individuals have bagged many gold medals and made the country proud. He asserted a special emphasis should be given for the empowerment of the disabled.
Public tadi discrimination ji adum lay koi khadin sukang size ko koi gi ram amta leiba udi adagi anoba security building ama lay sida dumba disability sang na amta laiti handak ta thokiba parikha lobada amathak ta disability ka bangam dadana irang thonagi siumani simbasi koi prajana sumateng pangbiu prajane na government se prajana thagat pani prajana mateng pangbiu kholaw lawbiu ababa Manipur ma poroksi disability free luansi.
Kanglai Shalai Apunba looked in a press release strongly condemned associating Lai Harauba dance with Hindu rituals. The law further demanded clarification from the concerned section for mentioning Meitei Lai Harauba as connected with Ras dance in Manoraba Yearbook 2017. Moirang Block started Aadhaar enrollment program as part of the mandatory requirement for every Indian citizen to have an Aadhaar number. Jonal Education Officer, District E-Governance Society, in collaboration with Department of Information Technology, organized the enrollment program at Moirang Sabul Kuno Upper Primary School today. District Information Officer T. Santikumar launched the 13 days Aadhaar enrollment program, which aims to cater 2,924 students of government schools in the block. More than 100 students got Aadhaar enrollment in the inaugural day today. Speaking on the occasion, DIO NIC Bishnupur Tongbram Santikumar said, as Aadhaar card has become mandatory, if CSCs opened by the government charge more than the allocated rate, stringent action will be taken out against them.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯨ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯟꯃꯤꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯃꯅꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯔꯣꯜꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯦꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯦꯠꯂꯝꯃꯅꯦꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯟꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯊꯦꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯦꯠꯂꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟꯗꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯊꯦꯠꯂꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯀꯁꯇꯃꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯃꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯆꯒꯅꯤ.
Karate Association of India Kai appointed Soibam Bideshwari Chanu from Manipur as coach of the Indian Karate Championship. The Indian team will participate in the 10th World Cadet Junior Under 21 Years Karate Championship to be held from October 25 to October 29 in Spain. Coach Soibam Bideshwari Chanu is the first women international karate judge under Asian Karate Do Federation AKF for Manipur and the entire Northeast. Meanwhile, Manipur Amateur Karate Do Association Maka expressed happiness upon Bideshwari being selected as the coach by Kai and wish her all the best. Assam emerged as the champion in the Northeast Zone Sub-Junior Boys NFC football tournament. In a league match of Group A played today at Kumantlampak Artificial Turf Ground, Assam beat Mizoram 2-0. Assam's Dinar Narjari netted 2 goals in the 18th and 93rd minutes of the match. Assam Nikhil Milo and Mizoram player Landant Mawiwa and Laringt Lian now were shown yellow cards by the center referee during the match. 6 teams from the Northeast are taking part in the football tournament organized by All Manipur Football Association under the aegis of the All India Football Federation. Manipur will meet Tripura in Group B League match tomorrow afternoon at 2:45. Nongchup Imphal Sangol Tongba High School Imphal West back victory in the Under-15 Boys State Level Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament. In the first leg match of the tournament played today at Kumant Lampak Hockey Stadium, Nongchup Imphal Sagoltongba High School to Imphal West Tres, Hyanglam High School Kakching by 12-1. In this match, Nongchup Imphal Sagoltongba High School to Imphal West player A. Sachin netted 4 goals in the 9th, 15th, 19th and 21st minutes. PH Naya netted 3 goals in the 4th, 17th and 23rd minute, and Datta netted 2 goals in the 6th and 14th minute, while N. Amarjit, Silhaiba and TH Kennedy netted a goal each in the 3rd, 10th and 11th of the minute of the match respectively. The lone goal of the Hyanglam High School Kakching was netted in the 7th minute by Chihais Binayak. 5 teams are participating in the tournament organized by Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports. Remaining matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Sirka expresses concerns over the imbalanced rise of the influx of outsiders in many constituencies. Transport Department along with Manipur Police begins road safety drives, finds helmet and seatbelt violators. A month-long 121st memorial observation of Lamnyamba Hizam Irabot begins today. And people of Manipur welcomed Arjuna awardee boxer Laisam Debendro on his arrival at Imphal International Airport.